My name is Rick White from 180 Biz, and this is my Just One Thing. Today, I want to talk about preaching, and I promise I'm not going to get on a soapbox or anything like that. That's not my goal for today. What I mean by that is not us, not me, not you, but your clients. I want you to start thinking about your clients, getting your clients to do some preaching for you. What I want to talk about is testimonials. Reviews and testimonials, they get confused all the time. So I want to kind of just separate them out so you understand what the difference is. A review is someone's experience with one interaction with you. You're not going to get a review if you're mediocre. You're either going to have a moment of magic where it's just like you just stepped outside of the box, did some cool stuff for them, and they're just blown away by it. They'll leave you a review, or you did something really bad in their eyes, and then you're going to definitely get a review, right? It's either going to be really, really good or really, really bad to get a review. But they tend to be based on a transaction. That's what the review is based on. However, a testimonial is different. A testimonial is an endorsement. A testimonial is someone stepping up and saying, I know these people, I do business with these people, and these are good people. A review typically says, good job. A testimonial says, good people. And that's what we're looking for. The issue here is we think that marketing our businesses, advertising our businesses is a solo act, that it's something that you are responsible for. And that is absolutely not the case. We want advocates. We want as many people talking about our businesses as we possibly can. I've been blown away lately by the people that clients and past clients that have been saying, somebody's asking about a coach and they're saying something about us. That's amazing. Okay. And what you want is you want people out there for your shops that are doing the same thing, that are so enthralled by what you do and how you do it and the way they feel when you're doing it, that they are advocates. They're walking down the street, they are stopping people and saying, you gotta go see Jason. That's what you're looking for, is getting your advocates so that they want to help spread the word. You are not supposed to be the only one talking about your business. You're going to get somebody to give you a testimonial. That is to provide a great service over and over again and get them to climb the loyalty ladder until they're a raving fan, because raving fans are where you're going to get your testimonials. And I want you to be more intentional about building those raving fans. That's what this is all about. Like, I know you got some people that just love what you do, but I'm telling you, most of the time, those are on accident. It wasn't intentional. What I want you to start thinking about is creating the environment and creating the relationship where testimonials become a natural byproduct. And this is really amazing because when you have those testimonials out there, it really speaks well. Why? Because when I say something about my company, I'm bragging. But when somebody says it about you, that's proof. And the reality is, the general public is going to believe a stranger before they believe you. And it's just because we've been lied to so many times. We're extremely skeptical when it comes to attracting new people. So the more you can get advocates, disciples, these raving fans out there talking about you, sharing video about you, getting stuff that you can put on your website. I want you to just think this through a little bit and ask yourself, how can you show up a little bit better today that's going to move people up to that raving fan status? What can you do a little bit different that is going to get that raving fan status. Because the more you have of those, the easier business gets. Please share this video. Um, there are lots of people that need to hear this stuff. I want to thank you all for being here. And also, um, we're going to be doing this on our Pocket Business Genius. Everybody, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.